A municipal wastewater treatment plant in Bavaria was repeatedly exceeding its ammonium discharge limits. The reason was an aging rotating biological contactor from the 1990s, no longer able to meet today's requirements. Stricter regulations and changing effluent conditions meant that the existing biological treatment stage could no longer reliably nitrify the wastewater. Several options were considered, including building a completely new treatment plant or installing a pumping station to transfer the wastewater elsewhere. However, both alternatives would have involved high costs, extensive construction work, and long implementation times. The municipality therefore chose a faster and far more economical solution. The ClearFox FBBR fixed bed container system from PPU Umwelttechnik. Integrated as an additional biological treatment stage, the system was seamlessly incorporated into the existing process. After the rotating biological contactor, the wastewater is diverted into the container, where it is biologically treated and reliably nitrified. The treated water is then returned to the existing final clarification stage, with a partial flow recirculated for denitrification. Inside the container, fixed bed media with varying surface areas provide an ideal environment for microorganisms. With the supply of air, these microorganisms efficiently break down pollutants and reduce the load to meet the required discharge limits. A key advantage of this solution is that the existing infrastructure remains fully operational. The ClearFox fixed bed biological reactor allows the plant's performance to be increased in a targeted way, without major construction work, long shutdowns or high investment costs. At the same time, the system remains highly flexible. If a complete replacement of the rotating biological contactor becomes necessary in the future, it can easily be achieved by adding further container modules. Thanks to the containerized solution, the treatment plant now consistently meets its ammonium limits and is well prepared for future regulatory requirements. PPU Umwelttechnik delivered the project on time, reliably and within the agreed budget.